Good evening and welcome on Top of the Night Show for today. My name is Nanedu Oscar, me, Katim, and Easy Peter. Okay, more than I say, I know where shoe. I don't come on my shoe.
No, be say you go today. Tell true. I see Nedu for road. He see me one dodge. He wear white and white. I don't know where him they go. Come carry cross.
Elegushi. Hey, Baba.
Yes. He one dodge. We say Katim. He said no be so. I said I not talk anything on Nedu. I just see you like I not talk anything.
I bet more glass more chicken break. I will come back. We'll get two guests and top the show today. From the rude boy. Which one? Boy? For the P Square. Their family. Not the P Square again now.
No. This an independent, stand alone.
Will they come back? Now welcome back.
You this one where you they talk. You don't even know if this our guest is whether the way they write their own song they sound like.
No, our guest I don't hear their song now.
It makes sense. What's the first line of their song if you don't hear the song?
I will never regret. You do falsetto.
No, who sing that? The boy or the girl?
I will never regret you.
So now blues.
Blues. Not try them. Sing it.
No, say they sing together or not different.
No, the girl na the Rihanna.
Oh,
see, she the open body. For the group, for the record label. So, now she now they say, will you walk for me? Walk. He says I open leg now, do walk.
Okay.
Now happy for the, oh God. I don't want to just talk.
So who be the so now rude boy and rude girl?
No, rude boy, 9 wait now, make I understand. When I welcome back on Top the Night Show, I thought I said we get guests on Top the Show. I will be never talking before. We got two guests on Top the Show today. One is a guy, the other one is a girl. Girl.
Yes, rude boy, rude girl.
Rude boy, rude girl. One now.
You know, say Rihanna na rude girl.
One na Drake. So this is one now. The guy na Drake.
Okay.
But you not get body. The Drake fat small. This one now.
In they come, they still
now upcoming Drake.
Yes.
So they be like so they hungry.
So therefore we get Muno and the tomato juice. Hello.
They be like hello. Come and do excursion inside studio.
You know say Lucy, it is a bully Hannah.
Oh, my name is Lucy.
See, I see, it is a bully.
Lucy na shower name na. Lucy.
Sister.
Lucy, sweet girl.
I no so. How many people material of shoe you wear? Because this is where the fees I can show two shoe.
No, this is one shoe.
Only you come wear now.
Only you come wear.
So if you off the shoe, what's in the inside?
What's in the inside?
Off the shoe, Mercy.
Off the shoe.
Off fam.
Hey, don't do me like this now.
I just say no, I speak Gucci, you know. Not even like this now.
So because in top now, say don't do me like if my boy now you go insist say making off.
My sister don't off it.
Even if we know say in socks get hole, but it's okay.
No, she not the wear socks. How she go wear socks? Now Muno, you know that's Muno dress.
That's why I say rude boy.
Fine boy. Say your pose.
He said rude boy and go rude boy. I say.
He not rude.
Go dance that one.
Hi, sister in the Lord, you are in the spirit. Muno, how far now?
I do.
How is your ministry?
As you see me, that's what I do. I don't pass like this.
You not pass like this.
We don't know like that, though. Make it pass like that. We don't know.
But
wait. Night time you can pass like that, though. We must see you.
They're not they know finish. But what is your original name? Because Lucy, that's her name. Where my papa give her.
How you take
Why Lucy? You have now name.
Why you find trouble?
No, I don't
Why you find trouble?
Muno, I said what is your real
For you
name?
to ask me my real name, you find trouble.
Munachi.
Okay, now Munachi.
Okay, make I just talk in slow motion. My name na Oviemuno Oriero.
Hey!
Papa, say it together.
Say it together.
No pause.
Oviemuno Oriero.
Now
One name now.
Jesus.
Two names. My first name, Oviemuno.
Ngwa call two of them together. Don't pause inside.
If your mama they call you for house, come and go and buy fetch water for me. Before they call the name finish night, don't reach.
If you think his name is long, you don't want to hear my Igbo name.
What's your Igbo name?
Ihen choro kona hu.
Papa say. I didn't say leave it like that.
My sister, leave am Lucy.
That's
how where you want to come from? Something.
Cha,
baby. Anyway, we watch one video of Muno. When we come back, we will begin. We'll watch one video. Then we'll watch one video of Rude Girl.
So they'll back
come
to back.
on, do that thing again. Do that thing again. Stand up, drum again. Come on, do it.
They don't go and dance.
Come back. When they come back. Watch it. Is it beat? May I ask you one question now? Not do you sing that song or do that video, but you see, you are watching that video with a spiritual eye.
In other words, your third eye.
Your third eye. What thing be the thing where you notice for that video? Give me two things where you notice for that video.
Just two.
Like I didn't talk on before.
Hey, my brother, hey, when they give it to you, slow.
Next one.
Plenty girls.
Now Katim get what you notice, but before,
now you know say if me and Neruna 5 and 6, if one of us notice one thing, now be say two of us have noticed the same thing.
Na lie.
Katim, that thing where we notice.
I did that thing with
Ladies and gentlemen, so as we're talking, that video where we just play now, it's be talked half of it. So we can't notice
the panel of judges.
Yes.
Trustee.
We can't notice
Board of Trustee BOT.
You know, Abante, how many girls? Abante 5 dozen girls about
5 dozen.
You know, in as much as 5 girls about there's no osmosis taking place. In other words, one formula stand by itself, sodium stand, chlorine stand, there's no mixture. In other words, only Muno, Juno, in stand by itself. All the other girls, they dance by themselves. Equation don't balance. So, I don't know.
Simply put,
Yes.
Muno,
Yes.
why any girl? Now, one pan the place for you.
Why find the place?
Because now my eye dey on only one girl. If you notice, if you see for
We
the
don't
video,
notice, so.
My brother, if you Katim, wait. Let it talk for
you
itself.
don't look well in that. You know, say sometimes when you dey watch video, if you watch am the first time, you go see one thing. If you watch am again, you go see another thing.
So no verse. We don't now. Okay, you
So
don't
if you
finish.
notice, now one girl I just they go for. Say, I love the way you give it to me slow. If it be her
So let me ask you one question now. Sing that chorus again.
I love the way you give it to me slow.
Thank you. God bless you. So what thing should they give you slow?
Stepping. You know, say give me slow.
So sit down. See easy beat. Look in face. You see any mark for your face? See Katim, you see mark there. See my face, you see mark. So now dance. If they give you slow.
Now dance,
No, I don't blame him. Now because saying wear glasses, we don't wear glasses, so we don't see.
We would not see where. Now make you come deceive us.
See, viewers. I don't know what they hear for this song.
Don't worry, we hear that they give it to you slow.
No, we're not. Now give it to you slow. Slow. 9 months later, fast. Now you go take over. Yeah. Hold on. So make I ask you, that girl now, where they give it to you slow. Oh yeah. When I finish shooting the video, which time?
How many days?
Which time? How many days now you take shoot them?
Just one day.
So that one day where you shoot them, which time you finish? Lucy, I know why. Just hold on.
You finish
Lucy, this whole you are host.
I'm trying
No,
to
No,
Lucy, don't worry. Lucy,
I got this.
Ngwa.
You finish around 5 a.m. in the morning.
5 a.m. in the morning. Now, I ask you now.
Yes.
So, that girl now, where
They give it to you.
So, after that video, you can't go your hotel.
I've been tired.
And you can't go sleep. Then the girl now, can't go. Go
sleep.
give her bed slow.
I don't tire.
Jesus.
So I just make her sleep. Leave the girl. I just tell her, say thank you for, you know.
Leave the girl.
Which means the girl they there with you.
Oh, no.
Hey! You see? You cannot hide it from us. We know these things. I said make I sleep.
Leave the girl. Chop 5. You're interrogator of life.
You know what I mean? I don't give a damn.
Give a damn. No.
Now, Lucy.
Yes.
Fear then they catch you.
Yeah, no, they catch you. I'm sorry.
Well, Lucy.
You are sorry.
Before we come to you,
Yes.
make we watch Lucy video.
Yes.
When we come back, we interrogation her.
To enjoy more of these our Ogbonge videos when you just watch, press this button to subscribe on top of our YouTube page. You go love her.